Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So we will begin with actually setting the timer. I'll show you where you can find proper option, and then I'll also show you an additional option which appears in this device. So let's open the camera up first of all, and the first thing which we have to do is to make sure that we are on the photo mode. If it is highlighted here, it means that for sure we've got the photo mode applied, and now we can tap on this settings icon in the left lower corner. So let's tap on it. In this general section, on the third position, we've got the timer, and as you can see in this device, we've got 4 different options, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So all you have to do is to tap on the option which you'd like to use. I'll pick 10 seconds delay, and as you can see right now, it is immediately highlighted. Moreover, it is shown on the camera itself. As you can see at the top, we've got this bar with the option, and here we've got the timer. Let me quickly check whether we can quickly turn it off here just by tapping on it. We can't. However, instead of entering the settings, etc., we can just tap on the timer and then quickly change the countdown. So we've got timer set, so simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. So this is basically how it works. Of course, you can quickly turn off the timer just by entering this icon and tapping on the crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Here we've got an additional countdown, but it is associated with the night mode, which was applied, and it is automatic. So here you've got the information here. You can turn it off, and the timer associated with this option will be completely powered off, so you will not have this additional timer. And the other thing which I wanted to show you is connected with the flashlight and rear camera, because if you will set the timer, you can actually also show it by using the flash. So let's go to the settings here. Let's tap on it. Then tap on this 3 dots icon in the right corner, and here we have to go and find advanced. Now let's scroll down, I believe, and here we've got the option which is called timer light. So as you can see, it is actually in the middle, and here we've got the information that it flashes the back camera light during the timer countdown, which is also a nice indicator, especially if you're taking a group picture, for example, and you're just going somewhere and you're not sure whether the timer is on or not, and how many seconds it was counted, etc. So you can simply turn on the timer light just by using the switcher. Make sure that it is active, and your device will basically flash the camera to show you whether the countdown is set. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.